Welcome to Subramani. Today I'm going to talk to you about my book, which is this one or which is this one. Yeah. Two important things. One is, of course, the name of the book is Retire Rich. But what is more important and what you can see here perhaps is invest rupees 40 a day, right? So first of all, this book is on retirement, but it is not meant for the 60-year-old. It is meant for the 22-year-old or a 23-year-old who is just starting life. Could I have named this wealth accumulation? That sounds little inactive, right? It sounds like, okay, there is one more book on wealth creation, but there were not enough. There were no books on retirement when I wrote this up almost about 10 years ago. This is the new edition. There is an old edition which is the white and blue one. So why am I doing this post today? Because today Amazon has a discount on this book, and I think it's a good time to be buying any book, anything when there is a discount. So why do you need a book on retirement? Well, there are two parts of retirement. One is when you are accumulating money for retirement. You're trying to create a corpus from which you're going to spend for the rest of your life. This is called the accumulation phase. The second is called the withdrawal phase. You have already accumulated money and from that you are withdrawing. This book is on the accumulation phase. It is about creating wealth, creating that corpus which is needed for retirement. Why a book on retirement also is because we have one problem which most of us are ignoring because it's very difficult to accept. There is a bigger epidemic than even COVID. That is the epidemic of longevity. We are all going to live long, much longer than what we thought we will, and we are going to find proper employment till a much younger age. Recently, if you saw one mutual fund in India sacked a few people, I don't think there was anybody above the age of 55. Most of them would have been under the age of 50, right? Which means they were all thinking that over the next 10 years I'm going to accumulate a lot of money, but now there is uncertainty about the next 10 years. Will they be able to get a formal employment? Chances are extremely low. Will they be employed as consultants? Will they be able to earn some income from activities? Answer seems to be yes, an unequivocal yes. So here we are talking of somebody who takes up a job at 24, retires at 49 and lives till the age of 94, right? So what are we talking about? We are talking of making your money last from your age of 50 or let's say 49 or 50 till the age of 94, which is 45 years. That is not going to be very easy. And if you're talking of your wife being a housewife, then you're talking of 50 years. What you have earned in 25 years has to be used for repaying loans which you have taken maybe for your education, for buying cars, for buying a house, for entertainment, for travel, etc., after paying taxes and making sure that that money lasts over the next 50 years, right? The earlier generation retired at 58 or 60 and died at the age of 70 or 72. So you are to manage your money only for 12 years, which meant a debt product was good enough. You could put money in debt instruments and your money would last till you're 71, 72. Even in that generation, a lot of people who lived far beyond 72 ran out of money. But however, this was not known, this was not visible because joint family system was there. The father owned the house, the children paid for the day-to-day running expenses, so the mismatch was not seen. But today children don't have money to buy fancy houses, but parents have those houses. So parents are providing that capital and children are paying for the expenses. That's fine, but if you're not living in a joint family or your children are abroad or you don't have children, right, then you need to learn how to invest. Even if you have children, you need to learn how to invest. So longevity problem, short working life, These are reasons why you should learn. Far more complex products are today available. Maybe 50 years ago, the number of products available were not so much. So you just went, you took one LIC policy, you had post office, and you had bank fixed deposits. The share market was a no-no, saying, oh, that is not for us. The middle class stayed out. Even today, the middle class is predominantly out. But everybody seems to be opening a broking account, right? So there is some traction in investing, whether they are investing through mutual funds or direct or whatever. Now, investing is a very small part of your financial planning, and when I'm talking about retirement planning, I'm saying that is also a small part, but you need to learn that. You also need to learn how to fix goals, how to invest for that, blah blah blah. This book covers all that. This tells you why you should maintain a retirement philosophy statement, whether you're going right towards the goal, how much of insurance you need, right? All those questions are answered. I could give you 10 questions saying what are the answers that I provided. So there are questions and answers, many questions which perhaps in your mind, can I start with 1,000 rupees a day, a month, or things like that. This book is meant for those people who can afford only 40 rupees a day because you're young, you got other priorities, right? So maybe you just put 40 rupees a day, it doesn't matter, but the most important thing is to start early. So we give you all those, book gives you all those tips, and also trying to tell you that the earlier you start, the more money you will accumulate, right? You have heard it ad nauseum. The question is, have you done it, right? So simple things: start early, put as much money as you can in one couple of accounts which use for your retirement. And keep putting as much as you can, because anyway you're not going to sell it for a very long period of time. Don't worry about market fluctuation, just don't sell. Don't remove money from that. You can't put for 2-3 years, that's perfectly all right, but don't harm it by removing money, right? Don't interrupt the compounding. So start early, continue your compounding, don't interrupt the compounding. This will create wealth for you. It's not a rocket science that you can't understand, right? It's not brain surgery, like my friends would say. So all this and more is available. Why today? Because the book is available at a discount thanks to Amazon for whatever reason. So a good book available at a better price, definitely a good buy. Thank you.